But yeah, in this video, I guess I just wanted to say hello. I wanted to suggest or say hi to you and invite you to keep awakening, keep on your healing path as I have been for 15 years. Keep positive in the world situation at the moment. Be on the side of light, so to speak. Not necessarily let go of things like hate. Work on things like forgiveness. Work on all virtues, because love is the combination of all positive characteristics and virtues. Love is a super very high power. So work on cultivating virtues. Work on healing yourself. Work on powerful, radical and intimate honesty with yourself. Evaluate your day. This is what I do. Evaluate your life. Just in general, let it happen to you. You don't have to go every way unless there's something that's happened in your life that's a particular challenge, like a relationship issue. And then let yourself seek soothing, self-soothe. Look after yourself. Practice self-care. Practice self-love. Find relief and pray or ask the universe for the answers or for the help or assistance, love, guidance and support. And allow the answers, so to speak, to come to you and to open your heart and to heal your heart. Yeah, I highly recommend seeking healers too. I've gotten and I do recommend healers such as energy healers of any kind whatsoever that you vibe with. It could be a shaman, it could be a Reiki, it could be bioenergy, it could be what's called spiritual healing, it could be whatever the name of the modality. They help you go faster and get what you really want in life. There's no reason that's the best reason ever to not get healing and keep putting it off forever. Why not get it, do it now? You're going to get where you want faster and you awaken more powerfully faster too. Hey Stephen Byrne, by the way, how's it going, bro? Must meet up. I hope to see you in another few days, by the way. I'll personal message you. Hey everyone, I gotta go. I just want to say hello, to connect with you and help to support you, keep you inspired. I'm on your team. Teamwork and unity consciousness are two of my favorite words. And inclusivity, welcomeness, friendliness and familyhood, whatever. It's a caring, connected group which we can all be part of together to help uplift and support and care for each other, okay? So I'm all about teamwork and helping each other out and unity consciousness. That's the new name of the game. It's not the old world was about fear and separation and ego. This is about higher frequency and creating as a divine being. So yeah, I just want to say quickly, you're not alone. Keep working on yourself and be the loving light being of divine grace and wonderfulness and joy, peace and happiness and inspiration and creative, unique thoughts and ideas that you want to bring into the world. Shine your light. Don't be afraid. Let go of the fear. It doesn't matter what people think of you, what their thoughts, opinions or pressure or belief is about what you should be doing in life. You do what you want to do. You're you. Your life is yours and it's precious. No one else has the right to butt in and tell you what to do, and that doesn't really matter what age. If you're in almost adult, even if you're in high school or you're doing your final exams, or no matter what age you are, as long as you're an adult, you make your own decisions. So respect other people and just respect yourself. You don't even need to be respected by other people, but don't be walked over by people and stand true, powerful and strong on your own light. You're a loving, divine, powerful creator being, and that's never what you're going to hear in the mainstream media. But you just keep your life awesome and have the best day ever every single day. Look after yourself. Have the best day ever as much as you can, and keep working on yourself. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful life, and it's a blessing to wake up every day, every new day, appreciating and celebrating. Not mourning.